Discover precision and efficiency with the Tooltos multi-purpose wire jewelry handicraft high-speed cutter, the ultimate tool for cutting tubes and rods in your jewelry and handicraft projects. Engineered with a transparent protective cover for safe operation and enhanced visibility, this cutter lets you monitor your work closely. Its metal bar handle not only provides a secure grip, but also boosts overall efficiency. Easily adjust the cutting speed to accommodate a wide range of materials from gold and silver to copper and aluminum. Whether you're cutting delicate tubing or sturdy bar stock, precision is at your fingertips. Powered at 360W with a high speed of 6,800 RPM, the Tooltos cutter ensures a clean, precise cut every time, making it ideal for intricate jewelry designs and complex handicraft projects. With robust technical specs including a 360W power output, dual voltage capability, and a compact design weighing just 5.1 kilograms, this cutter is built to perform under a variety of conditions. Every package comes complete with everything you need: the high-speed cutter, a hexagon wrench for adjustments, a saw blade, and a chain for secure operation. Operation steps: 1. Connect the cutter to the appropriate supply voltage. 2. Turn on the switch. 3. Insert the workpiece to be cut into the hole. 4. Adjust the appropriate speed and slowly push the handle forward to cut. Elevate your jewelry and handicraft projects with the Tooltos multi-purpose wire jewelry handicraft high-speed cutter. Experience precision, safety, and efficiency like never before. Order yours today and transform your creative process.